Someone want to come about abortion. Stop filming now. Look at few space in it. Look at one point. Look at these lots in there. What's in there? You turn to a 7 to hold from the westbound service. What? We're on the way in what's eastbound one? Yeah. Seven 213. Oh yeah, it's TT. Yeah, you know your phone has please now to give us a fright. Oh my god! Oh, gorgeous house TT. 141 in the rear. What's dirty? 141. We saw about 10 months ago. We saw about a year ago. Few space in it. $73 again. I'm filming. You're not filming it? I'm going to film it.
This train terminates at Bedford. We will be calling at Balcombe, Three Bridges, Gatwick Airport, East Croydon.
Now party 11:55, 760 from Brighton to Bedford, and I will keep recording. 1 still, and I will keep recording. And it's 10 seconds from Cambridge to Brighton, with about on time. Someone 122. Cheers. Oh wow, wonderful photo. Off to Brighton from Cambridge. So we've got a few space in there, we'll get hamburger off those. Got to Christmas mount.
The train now approaching.
What the hell?
Does not stop here. Please stand
that?
at the edge of platform 2.
What? That? Suffered. Double. Yes. 3774 3 Bedford London Victoria. 3774 90 in a bit, and I will keep recording. There's another train coming through. Sorry. Right, let's keep recording. Oh, it's another 7 service passing through. Right, Littlehampton. 377 164 154. 155 training. There's a 307 here, got a C2C unit. I doubled you. I'm going to keep recording. That's 10 seconds to Brighton to Cambridge. Right, got 2 services, 71. 140 to Cambridge, like this. 307 162. He's 4, yes! And then 307 124 to here. Better be transferred from Great Northern. But 379 replaced them. As 307 174. GX. Double GX 387s. Gatwick Express 37223. 37220 on the rear. From Brighton. Oh, look at real-time trains. So what's this doing? Real-time trains. Oh, what it's doing? Another GN. Another X-Great Northern. Oh, that's going to Gatwick Express. 37301. Yes. Cheers. 37125. And also this one Great Northern as well. And I will keep recording. C2C. 125. Yes, the 36125. So this is from Southern. Now I'm South Eastern. Southern again. Oh, hey, it's Red Hill. What's about Southern? So Red Hill. What's about a minute early? 377-306. 377-306. The Red Hill was about a minute early.
Victoria and Portsmouth Harbour will run non-stop between Clapham Junction and Horsham.
That.
Trains to and from Brighton will call additionally at Horsham, Littlehampton, Angmering, Worthing, Shoreham by sea and Hove.
Excuse me.
Including
Double.
details of where to join.
307 450 in London Victoria. And 377 470 trading. I'll look at real-time trains and see what it's doing. Do you look at real-time trains? GN, look at real-time trains. Yeah. Cheers! 37318 and 37305. So here's 70134 from Brighton to Bedford. It was about on time. And I'll keep recording at the Sussex service in Cambridge to Brighton. Also was on time. 701. Cheers. Yes! Oh, wonderful! Yeah, few space in there. Southern. Now it's going to Littlehampton. Westbound on time. Oh, look at real-time trains. Real-time trains. 377-111 and 441. Returning. I was on board 377-209. We find a Great Western Railway unit. We need. Come on, GWR. Come on, GWR. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, here, GN. GX. 37209. Gatwick Express. Ah! 37203 trading. Alright. Here we are. Here's another 387. Oh, it's a pair of Gatwick Express units operating on Southern going to ORE. 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 So, 37210. Oh. And 37265 on the and how the wind. So guys, go to your bag, please. Please, can you go to your bag, please? Something brought the Cambridge. On your head. Oh, cheers. 700-155. Yes, my train. Brighton to Cambridge, Sheffield, so it's to Bedford. Brighton to Cambridge, Sheffield's going to Bedford. Eastbourne. 73 again. And there's Gary Express there. So it's 73141 and then 73128 off the Tunbridge. 73117 to Brighton. 731! 731! And the Tunbridge one was about a minute late. Oh, look at real-time trains. I told you something. Let's go quick shot of it. Quick shot of it this time. Let's quick shot of it. Come on, GWR. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, GX again. GX again. 2. 37226 and 37227. Yeah, 227. Next to the bag. Yes. 7. Hey. Jumbo 377 4203. Ah, 377 441 and 377 446 training. From Liverhampton to London Victoria. Where's about all the real-time trains? Again. No! I'm not! Sit on the bench with your bag. 700 106. Cheers! Yes! Hey! The next train to arrive is the 12:55 service to Bedford to Brighton. Was that Brighton? So here's 700 143. About 3 minutes late. And I will keep recording and as the Southern service passed by, bound for Liverhampton. So leading we've got 377 144 and 377 164 trading. No, just get you on the bench please. Oh, GN here. GN units. X Great Northern. So leading 387 125 and the next C2C 387 301. Oh my god! Perfect, that 387 301 has blue door in it. Galaxy Express, come. Back from London to Brighton. Galaxy Express. Gatwick Express to London Victoria from Brighton. Brighton to Cambridge. So I was in 122. Yes! Brilliant! Woohoo! GX and GN. Gatwick Express and GN. Let's go to Eastbourne. Cheers.
Platform 2.
Leading 37205 and XCTC 37306. Bound to Eastbourne. The front half is the Gatwick Express. GN. Bound for Orr. Oh hey, I was going to Brighton, I'm wrong. It is going to Orr. Yeah, 37303! And 37204.
Otherwise you won't go out at all.
I will go out. Hang on, there's something that pass by. So it's a Soho service walk. ECS service. Yeah, yes, 377. Here we go. 377 117. Yeah, 377 117. 377 117. Come on, 387 304. Come on, come on, come on. It's about 7. Yeah, right to Brighton. It's about 7 minutes late. There is the summer service from Redhill to Brighton. We're about 7 minutes. We're about 8 minutes late. Yeah, 8 minutes late to the stage. Cheers. 377 301. Yeah, 377 301 back from Brighton was about 8 minutes late. 8 minutes. 8 minutes late. Right. The next train to pass by is a southern service bound for London Victoria. Where's the approaches? Here he is. No, it's not here. Yeah, first 1, 2, 3. And first 1, 2, 7. Both are ex-Great Northern. From Eastbourne to London Victoria, what's that on time? I'll look at real-time train, see what it's doing. The next train to arrive is a tempting service from Brighton's Bedford, the 1325 service. And I will keep recording. It's tempting going back from Brighton. 700 109. And then it's 700 147. Oh, there's life. We're going. We got 95 service to Bedford and Brighton. Now the party. $700 147. Space at 59 minutes. You're coming to the other side now. We're going on platform 1. So, London Victoria, 377 472 and 209. Cheers! Let you jump. Yeah, 209's there. Oh, look at your time train series doing. Southern service. There you go, 377 490. Look at that. Free trailing. I'll keep recording. Your hands ready? These are your hands?
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it.
Listen.
See it, say it, sorted.
Hey, HIA? No. No, the freight train for Westwood Crawley was about 19 minutes late. Pass by, it's a freight train from Westwood to Crawley, 6068, was about 19 minutes late. What are those 59s? Oh, cheers. 5901. I'm gonna wait for John now. Westbury PSB. Westbury PSB. 19. Was about 20 minutes late, and they're chasing the London Victoria. Yeah, 20 minutes late. 20 minutes late. Is it? Yes, about 20 minutes late. Oh. 15 minutes. I'm actually C2C here. 57 minutes. 302. And then 376. Hence all for London Victoria. And a 37 passed by. 301. Press. On the way is 37217. Brighton Cambridge. Can you use space, Winnie? Can you give me some more space soon? So from Brighton to Cambridge. 700 101. I see some space when I'm getting on to this. Yeah, interesting bad. Wait to find 387, 304 for Southern. Right, 303 now in service with Southern. And because from Great Northern, the 309 has replaced them. See you in a minute, train approaches. Right, 307 bound for Brighton. Gatwick Express leading 307 220 and 223. Yeah, 223 trading. Right, 303 now in service with Southern. Because 309 have replaced them on Great Northern. On Great Northern. And then these more 318, 125. Yeah, has now in service as well. 304 also do as well. See if train approaches. Southern there. Cheers! Ah, Eastern 7141. 157 on the rear. Yeah! Yeah, 157's okay. We'll get on the train, get some space, and then we'll head to the next station. GX. GWR! GWR! Great Western Railway! 387 C14! And then Great Western Railway! 387 174! Bound for Brighton. 700 150. Bound for Brighton from Cambridge. We got on time. Yes! Now, I don't know. Now riding is our train is 801. Now riding is our train, so 144. He's 1355, 7602 Bedford. Westbound a minute late. I'm gonna go 7. Do 1. Can you go 9? I'll go 7.
This train is full.
Oh, she got some 3 bridges. The next train to pass by is the Gatwick Express 387 bound to London Victoria. Leading is 307 204 and next C2C 387 303. I love 387 303. Also go Express so go Express bound to Brighton. Certain sort of 7 bound for all. Service to London Victoria, 1307 service. 1407 was about on time. 434, what's 1307? Lady, 377 407 407. Yeah, 377 417. I said 407. On the rear is 377 466. Bound to London Victoria. Oh, hang on, train 7 minutes. 7 minutes to our train. Right, I'll either keep recording unless the 1410 Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. I'll either keep recording. What's about from it's quite dirty unless there is set. Go just be a set. Let's try. Alright, so we've got 700 152. Yes, 700 152. Alright, I'll keep recording, and this is 4010 Thames Service to Cambridge, from Brighton to Cambridge, was about a minute early. And I'll keep recording. Getting sunset now. I will go back home to play a game. And then we'll go 700, 106. 700, 106. Oh, look, thank you kindly. 700, 145. I know the 1407 service to London Victoria was about 2 minutes late. 2 minutes late. Oh, right. So our train is about 6 minutes. 3717 will be featured. It's just the Southern service to Southampton from Brighton. Now departing the 1410 service to Brighton, but on time. 700, 152. I got 49 minutes over. Hello, the 1410 service, also 1410 off to Cambridge, without both is on time. No, 1244 Thames service terminating him from bed. Huh? What? Huh? No. Yes, it's from Bedford. Terminating here. Nothing. Oh, hang on, something happened before. No, we'll keep recording this. The Thames was passing by. 3 bridges to Hornsey Depot.
Wait on this platform, because they're letting this one go, and then the next one should be coming in about 30 miles.
Only the service to Peterborough is approaching. Our train, it's this there. That's not our train, that's 1060. 701 to 1. 1. So, 700. 1. Yeah, 700 131. This is 700 146 head to Peterborough. Marchant, 700 700 153 from Bedford, and then 700 131. We're not in service. And it's approaching a red light. Lights on, no light. Hornsey Depot at Livery, and there's our train. It's just Fourteen 15 service 312. That's 2 minutes late. I will keep recording. This is our train. The 1415 Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour at Balcombe Regis. Or it's about a minute late.
Chichester, Fishbourne, Bosom, Nutbourne,
For
Southbourne,
50 minutes. We're going to try and use some more space.
Hilsea, Bratton, Portsmouth Southsea, and Portsmouth Harbour should travel with the front floor coaches of the train. Passengers for Christchurch,
That
Billingshurst, Aldborough, Amberley,
is
Ford, Barnum, and Bognor Regis should travel in the rear floor coaches of the train. This train may be constructed.
377143.
This is due to a full
40 signal system. Hammond area. Let's get rear 377. In 8 coaches, yeah. So on the rear is 377, 447 on the rear. And then the centre service is just now departing. 4 of 8. Sorry.
One more. That's it, thank you.
70117 Peterborough.
We are now approaching Horsham, where the train will divide. Coaches 1, 2, 4 will continue to Portsmouth Harbour.
Yeah.
Coaches 5
Yeah.
to 8 will continue to Bognor Regis. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train. Please mind
Don't
the
look at
gap
me.
between the train and the platform. This is coach number 3 of 8.
Yeah.
Advisor speaking, as you've just heard, we're just outside of Horsham at the moment. We're just waiting for a platform to become available and then we'll be on our way in. When we do arrive, the train will divide. Coaches 1, 2, 3 and 4, that's the front of the train. That'll become the Portsmouth Harbour service.
Yeah.
Calling at Barnham, Chichester, Fishbourne, Bosham, Nutbourne, Southbourne, Emsworth, Warblington, Havant, Hillsea, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. Coaches 5, 6, 7 and 8, that's the back of the train. That'll become the Bognor Regis service, calling at Christ Hospital, Billingshurst, Pulborough, Amberley, Arundel, Ford, Barnham and finally Bognor Regis. Please make sure you are travelling in the correct part of the train. I have just walked through the rear 4 coaches. I will be on the platform though if you are unsure. Shortly be arriving into Horsham where the train will divide. Please make sure you are in the right part of the train.